Hey, Caden, what's going on? Kevin Ford, what is happening, you guys? Welcome to my live. Currently watching EUR USD, watching some Forex this morning. See if we can catch something. Look like Bitcoin is running flat. Was also looking at some gold, but we are watching EUR USD here. See if it's going to break 1.0873 this morning. I'm going to try and catch this uptrend. Again, we're just trading on TradeXN, it's the name of the broker here, and then we're using range bars as well. They have crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices. USD, JPY just said it is doing a reversal and trending down. I said these do have audio signals.
Trade up now, Euro USD.
And there's our Euro USD. We just jumped into that trade right there. Like I said, I was waiting for that one to get some kind of confirmation. All right, so we're going to change this to, is it 1.0875? So we want 8.54. Oh, negative. There we go. We got that stop loss in place, and then the same for take profit. That will be 8.854. There we go. And stop loss and now take profit is in place. Like I said, you're always using risk management, only using 1% of our trades. I'm not quite how to say how your name, Eugen. The name of the broker is TradeXN. It's in the link in my bio. They have no trading fees and low spreads. And they have crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices. Hey, Jesse from Austin, what is going on, you guys? Again, welcome to my live.
Trade up now, BTC.
Trade up now, BTC USD. So I'm here every single day doing live trades, showing you guys how I make money daily. Please make sure to give me a follow. Join the Discord link in my bio to get access to a ton of information and knowledge, and it's a great place to hang out and learn without having to pay anything. So when I come on here, I like talking to people about using risk management. A lot of traders make the following mistakes here. They just risk way too much of their money. And end up blowing their accounts because they're just over leveraging, they're over risking their accounts. They lack consistency with their strategies as well. They trade emotionally and they just trade out of boredom. So that was trade now with ETH USD as well. So they have crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices. 6 a.m. in Cali. Hey, Batman, what is going on? It's 8 o'clock here, so I'm on the East Coast. Hey, Flying Lettuce, what is going on? Hey, thank you for telling me that. I need to go make breakfast. What are you talking about? Hey, what's up? It's a good way to to avoid a lot of the mistakes that I was talking about. Always minimize risk in less than 1% of your account, which is what I always do with my balance. Always set your stop loss and take profit, which I have in place here as well. That way I'm protecting my capital. I'm not going to potentially lose more than I'm willing to per trade, and I always have that take profit in place just in case the market takes off and it can hit that take profit for me, and I don't have to be sitting here watching it the whole entire time. You only invest in ETF covered call stocks. Cool. How do I calculate my pips? Hey, Isaac Michael, what's going on? Welcome back, dude. So I always just do 50 or 100 points when I'm doing my pips off. Whenever I jump into the trade, it's automatically 50 or 100 points long and short. So no matter what, it's always the same. So if the market's pretty flat, a lot of times I'll do 50 points. But when it's really moving, I'll do 100. But that's how I decide to do my pips. But it's always the same. I don't change it. That I always keep exactly the same. It makes it easy for me as well. That way I'm not having to always calculate new stuff all the time. And I don't move them either. I leave them right where they are. I'm not constantly adjusting. Some people move it as the market goes up. I just leave it in place and look for the next trade.
Trade up now on BTC USD.
And so we just always, like I said, we're always going just off the range bars, right? So like EUR USD, I'm listening for that audio signal. I'm looking for that pullbacks and reversals. So again, I'm not really watching the time bars as much as I am the range bars. Hey Jeremiah, what's going on? Drill Bit, welcome to my live, you guys. Welcome to my live again. Anybody who's just joining, if you have any questions, please ask. Also give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. User 4828 ENSC. I love how you guys just throw stuff on the screen there, like, and what's your point? So what are the range bars? Again, the range, trade down now, BTC USD. The range bars here have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. Again, we're just looking for reversals and pullbacks in our trades. Again, they only move off points and not time. And we're just using the 5-minute time frame here when we're doing this. Look at the PR. Why would I look at the PR on ENSC? All right. Isaac Michael. Hey, thanks for the sharing the live, Isaac. I do appreciate that. And again, you guys, thank you for following. I do appreciate that as well. All right, like I said, we're in a trade right now with EUR USD. We're going to let that one roll. Let's see if there's anything else going on. So Bitcoin on the 5-minute time frame just changed the PSAR. The RSI is down past the 50 here. And let's see, and Bitcoin just had that reversal there as well. I would like it to break. Let's see, where's that last? Right there, which it's about 238,613. Let's see if I pull out. So yeah, it's still, I'm really surprised Bitcoin is still dropping. It's absolutely amazing. And we're still downtrending on the 1 hour as well. So if we can get a drop in here, I think, like we're getting this green bar here on BTC.
Trade up now.
All right, so there we go. So that's getting ready to come up. So I'm going to end up jumping on a short here on BTC USD because we're saving some pips here by it pulling up. All right, so we're in there. We had 3 that turned red. The PSAR is on top and the RSI is on the bottom. It's heading towards the 30 as well. So we're in that. We're in profit. You guys already up $11.
BTC USD. Trade down now.
I'll get this in here. All right, there we go. Stop loss is in place. Can I even make our profit? Sometimes I can't even get to the profit margin in time. And it'll hit it. So we'll see. All right, so stop loss and take profit again is in place. And again, we're only using 1% of our account when I'm trading anytime. It's always about risk management and protecting that capital always. Again, we're just following the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars here. Again, these only move off points and not time.
Trade down now, ETH USD.
Trade down now on ETH USD. All right, back in profit here on BTC USD. We'll see if this will continue down for us. So again, when you're using
trade up now, BTC USD.
Trade up now, BTC USD. So it's bouncing back and forth right now, as you can see, trying to figure out what it's going to do. Once you're in a trade, though, you just leave it. If you happen to have been catching it the other way, then you ride it up. But so I always listen to the audio, and you only listen to it when it first comes on, not when it says, like it says buy and it says sell, you don't sell. You just ride your buy up. If you jump in on a sell, then you ride your sell down. But you don't flip-flop with the audio. So like I said, I use the parabolic SAR. That is the little dots here on the screen. If they're on the bottom, it means that we're trending up. If they're on top, we're trending down. We match that again with the RSI. If it's under the 50 and pointed down, then we trend again with that and the PSAR. And then we use the range bars as well. So all together, I make an informed decision on what it's doing currently. I don't guess at what it's doing, only what I'm seeing in front of me. I'm not a mind reader, right? I don't know what's going to happen in the future. Days from now, I don't guess at that. I only go off what's happening at the moment. Hey, JR, what is going on? Rim Magic USA, how's it going, you guys?
Trade down now. BTC USD.
So I come on here every single day, talk to you guys about risk management and always about protecting your accounts. And that's just what we're doing here right now. So we're in profit, up $20 on BTC USD. Congratulations if you are following along with that trade, hitting 32. So we may hit our take profit here momentarily. Again, we're just using the information that's right in front of us here. Like I said, there's no guessing or anything. And I'm always using a 1-to-1 ratio as well. So it's like 50 points or 100 points up and the same going down. And the reason I do this, and I have it set so far apart, as well as I want to get kicked out early in my trade by having that stop loss set too tight. Because the market does a lot of pullbacks. And there we go. Congratulations. We just hit that $50 profit just like that. It says sometimes it's really, really fast. Other times it can really draw out. It just depends on what the market's doing. Like I said, you don't know what the market's going to do every single day. It changes every second of every day. So EUR, USD, that one got knocked out, but we are higher on BTC USD. So we are in profit off of those last two moves. And then we wait and we look for another trade. Right, again, it's only 50 to 100 points per move.
Trade down now. BTC USD.
It says trade down now, BTC USD. Like I said, it's doing that reversal here again. Saying that it's continuing down. We had already been in that downtrend, and so we had made some profit. All right, let's see.
Trade down now. USD JPY.
All right, let's see if there's anything. Let's see how gold is doing. What's gold doing? Gold is under the 20 SMA. PSAR is on top. RSI is on bottom. And gold is still heading up. Let's make sure that live button is on. Like I say, always make sure. Oh, there we go. Okay, so live button is on now. And that's trending down as well. Let's see if we can break. We need to break that last 2022, right? Otherwise, we're just trending sideways. So we want to break out that last low here. If it does, then we'll jump into that short.
USD.
Isaac Michael, how do I set up the range bars? These ones up here. They're on my streaming service. And you can get that, like I've said. It's in the link in my bio. Or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net. All you just sign up with your email, and then all this is streaming, so it'll be look exactly the same for you. And you just write and you just follow what they're saying, right? So make sure your audio is on, and you just catch the reversals or pullbacks, and that's all you do. And again, I have the I have all the videos in my Discord as well on how to do all this stuff. Like here's a range bars video. And then if you come up here, right here, explaining of the reversal and pullback. So I have all that in my video. Like I said, go to my Discord. It's absolutely free. It's not going to cost you anything. I'm just trying to help you guys out. I'm already trading. That's what I said. If I can help people out, then that's what I do. Because information is free. This is information age. Everything's out there. I'm benefiting just off of my trading. If you guys do use the link in my bio or for TradeXN, I do get a commission off of that. So that does help me as well. Right. But my primary is just off of my trading myself. But, you know, every little bit does help, and I do appreciate it. I don't get enough following on TikTok, so I don't get anything out of that yet. Unless like Exchange Mind gives me a rose, like he does on occasion, right? And that's what, a penny, so whatever. But yeah, I don't make anything off of TikTok. It's all off of my trading, and then whatever I get off commission from TradeXN. Like I said, I do come live, just come able to learn and be very consistent. And now I'm doing really well with my strategy. So I like to just share the knowledge with everybody else, right? Someone else showed me how to do things, and I'm just giving back just like they did to me. And I said my only benefit is if you guys use the referral link on TradeXN. So again, all that is in the link in my bio. But I do, again, like TradeXN. I've been with them 2 years. And they have low spreads and no commissions. So that's why I use them as well. And no trading fees as well. A lot of different brokers have trading fees. All right, let's see. So gold was heading down. We got that green pullback, and now we're starting to get red again. So I'm going to watch that, see if we can catch. Like I said, it's got to break 2022. Otherwise, it might just be trending. But I would like to catch a short on that as well. Hey, Johnny, thank you for the follow. Really do appreciate it there. And Edgar, thanks for the follow as well. And Isaac, thanks for all the likes, you guys. That really does help me out as well. That helps out my algorithm. I do appreciate that too. Trade up now, GBP USD. So it is really important to understand that too. Anyone who wants to really make it in trading will need at least $10,000 to $50,000. The reason for this is we make small percentage gains on a regular basis, and 1% on $10,000 is $100. So in practicing and testing strategies, I used to start off with a $1,000 to $5,000. Since I can do a ton of trades at 0.01 practice trades, they'll be worth around 50 cents to $1, depending on where I set my stop loss and take profit. So if you have $10,000 in your account and you make $100 trades, I mean, come on, you do 5 trades, that's $500 for the day. I mean, that's full-time job, right, for some people. So it's definitely worth having that amount of money in your account. Again, we're only trading at 1% at any given time, so we're not risking the whole $10,000. We're only risking $100 in each trade, and that's minuscule compared to the amount that's in your account. So, and those trades at $10,000, say we're not even, the market doesn't even see us. We're so small. They trade in hundreds of millions and all that all the time. I mean, crypto is huge. All the main market, right, is huge. $100 doesn't even phase a blip of anything. So your little trades like that won't affect the market at all, but you're the one that's able to make profit. All right, what is gold doing right now? See, gold is 0.1. Might as well get this volume set up at 0.1. That way we are ready to go if this decides to short. All right, Apple user, hey, Exchange Mining gave me a rose. You're always so nice. I think you give me a rose every time you come in here. As always, I do appreciate it. All right. So I always to emphasize too, I'm not selling anything, you guys. No courses, no bots, no paid sessions. Again, I'm just trying to grow my Discord community. So please make sure to give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. We're around, I think now we're like 87.
Trade down now. BTC USD.
I was saying 70 something for a long time. But I think we're finally at 80 something. Trying to get to 100 members this year. Just as a goal. It doesn't really mean anything. As I said, the Discord's free. But it's cool to, watch your following grow every day. So if you'd like to learn more about using TradeXN,
Down now. ETH USD.
using the range bars, give me a follow, join the Discord. Like I said, we have a ton of information in there, have videos on how to use all this stuff, especially on the range bars as well. What's going on here? Still watching gold. It looks like we are trying to move down, see if we'll break that 2022 range. And I always pull back to so that you can see what's going on. We had this long up pull, came back down some, came back, and it's just now it looks like we're still trying to push back. So there's definitely room to move down here to, 2019. So we'll see if we can catch that trade. If it'll push past that, otherwise it's just trending sideways. US Link Trucking, hey, thanks for following along again. I do appreciate that. And again, thank you very much for the likes, you guys. Wow, 1.9 thousand, that is great. So remember, trading is just like a business. You just have to be very consistent. A trading strategy will require at least a couple weeks to a couple months to show a big enough data set which proves whether the strategy works or not. It's just like going to the gym. You can't just work out once, right, to get big. You have to go consistently. And I always say consistent because that's just what it is. To see results, whether you're trying to lose weight, get cut, whatever. It takes time to really get good at what you're doing, and this is just the same thing. Like I said, it's a business. You have to grow it slowly. Nobody makes $1 billion overnight. They have to grow it over time, and that's all we're doing with our trading. Again, we're only using 1% of our trades. So again, it's just consistent growth, right? Anybody can win the lotto and end up making a whole bunch all at once, or you just happen to catch a stock right when they do a split or something and it takes off.
Trade up now.
But it's not consistent all the time. So you're looking for consistent growth,
Trade up now. BTC.
and that's what the range bars are able to help with that. As long as so we use the RSI, the PSAR, only using that 1% and just using risk management. At the end of the day, that's just what it's about. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, please ask and then give me a follow. Enjoy the Discord link in my bio. If we end up getting a good entry here, I will jump in. Again, we're just watching gold right now. See if we can catch a decent trade as well. So my volume for that is 0.1. So it's always making sure that I'm less than 1% of my trades. Right around 1% or less. I've been trading now for 3 years as well. I've been on TradeXN for 2. Nastrom Fund, the Donald Trump rocket, 50 cents today. Oh, is that the name of that's the Donald Trump rocket? Nostrum, you've been on here before, right? And I think you mentioned fun before. PHUN. Here, while we're waiting on gold real quick, I'll look it up. I think that one was... Oh, is that NASDAQ? 1 hour. I don't mind looking at this stuff for just a minute. Let's see. Yeah, so it's been trending. Well, finally, let's see. Well, we got way back.
Trade down now. USD.
No, to finally break out. Looks like it's been dropping for a hot minute, huh? Yeah, a long time. Months. All right, months and months and months and months. It's going to have to really break out
Trade down now. BTC.
to break that trend. That could just be a blip. If it could cross that 20 SMA, I could see maybe jumping into that. But
Trade down now. ETH USD.
it would definitely have to
On ETH USD.
definitely show a little bit more growth there. All right, let's see. What is gold doing? Well, gold's still trying to come down here, so we may end up jumping into that. Fun. Did you check about XNES? Because it's overseas, and like you said, if it's only free for just a little bit, I'm not gonna mess with it. I left that alone. I did look into it a little bit though. All right, let's see. So I said I've been using been using TradeXN for 2 years, and it's worked well for me. So, all right, let's see. I didn't see if XNES gives any kind of commissions or not. If I remember, it did. I just didn't go in depth very much. I think I looked up their location too. if I remember right. I looked up their address of where that was. I've looked up some companies and all that, and it shows them like
USD. Trade up now. ETH. USD.
out like in the middle of the water, which makes it completely fake. And definitely always do your DD when you're looking up companies to find out like where they're located. Of course, a lot of them, like you can't call them if they're overseas because it's super expensive. And so that's a really big deterrent as well, because I like to get them on the phone if possible.
Trade down now. USD JPY.
All right, let's see. Let's see. Well, we have 10. Yeah, we're up the whole $10 today. 187 the last 7 days. 2,261 the last 30 days. So not too bad. 2,000, over 2,000 a month. I can't complain about that. All right.
Trade down now. ETH USD.
Gold, to see gold bounce. That's exactly why I said I didn't jump into that, because it's still just trending sideways. All right, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin, just broke that last 38,613. I guess it's still continuing down. Let's see, let's go the hour. Yeah, it's still decided to push down. Man, I cannot believe gold is still dropping. All right, so we're going to go for another. Well, we'll watch this last pullback here, because this may end up doing a reversal. All right, let's see. AMD and Nvidia thoughts. Man, those are so high right now. I looked at Nvidia the other day, and it's so high already that I don't know when it's going to reverse. But I would be watching for a short more than a long position, honestly.
Trade up now on ETH.
And that's something because of like blue stocks, the blue chips. And I'd kind of be watching Taiwan and China and all that, because I know they've been having conflicts over there. China's trying to take over Taiwan. That's where all the blue chips are. And Nvidia completely runs off of, I think, Taiwan for that. But if anything, that's a long-term hold to me, right? I would be writing that one out. This is the computer age, right? Information age. Everything is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's about 50, and there it was 10. So that would have been a good pullback. Maybe it's going to reverse right here. It has been trending sideways. Maybe we'll try and, because it's been dropping for a good minute, so maybe I'll end up catching a long position. Yeah, it's been downtrending. Yeah, I think it's probably hit its bottom. All right, let's see. And that is RSI starting to come up. So yeah, we're going to watch Bitcoin for a long position now instead. Where I caught that short, we'll see if we can catch a long position instead. Man, it's really moving now. It's a nice candle. Holy crap. All right, so we're going to wait for a little bit of a pullback here on BTC USD, and then we're going to jump into a long position. If I can save on pips, then that's what I'm trying to do. All right, they're starting to get pulled back. All right, let's see. In the meantime, welcome to my live trade up now on XRP USD. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. And so remember, it's all about consistency. Just trade this like a business. You have to be very consistent. A trading strategy will require at least a couple weeks to a couple months to show a big enough data set which proves whether the strategy works or not. And that's really just what it takes. All right, so we're getting that pullback here on BTC USD. So we're going to jump into this trade here. All right, there we go. So we got a little bit of pullback, save on some of those pips. All right, we're gonna set our stop loss. Negative 50. All right, we're in profit. Take profit. Make sure that is in place. All right, 50. So there we go. So take profit and stop loss again are in place. So it's going to do what it's going to do, right? We're just always protecting our capital at all times because you just don't know what the market's going to do at the end of the day. We're just looking to protect our investment as always. Again, only using 1% of our accounts. All right, so it looks like we're about to get a reversal here on that PSAR. The RSI is breaking that 50, and BTCUSD is moving up on the range bars here. So we'll see if we get some kind of a pullback. See how far it ends up going. Hopefully it won't hit our stop loss, and we will continue up.
Trade down now.
There's trade down now on BTCUSD, so it's getting somewhat of a pullback, and that's fine. All right, let's see. What else were we on? Gold. Gold is still trying to break this lower low here of 2022. If it'll break that, then we'll continue down as it is under the 20. The SMA is on top, and the RSI is under the 50 as well. So again, looking for that reversal. Well, let's see. XAUSD, yeah, we're still getting that downtrend. But I would like it to break this lower low here of 2022 before I jump into this short position. All right. Like I said, I'm not I'm always here and never selling anything. No courses, no bots, no paid sessions. I'm just trying to grow my Discord community to make sure
Trade up now, BTC.
that you give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Also, remember, I do make a commission on the side when you guys register using my link for TradeXN. So I would appreciate if you decide to use it, that you use my link as well. Hey Shane, what is going on? Welcome to my live. Again, remember, it's all about consistency. Treat it like a business. You always have to be very consistent. A trading strategy will require at least a couple weeks to a couple months to show a big enough data set which proves whether the strategy works or not. Like anything, right? You have to be consistent in something in order to see any kind of real results. And as always, like I said, I've been using TradeXN for 2 years now without any issues. I know other people that have been using them as well, and I've never heard any complaints about them. Again, they've been a great broker, no trading fees and low spreads. And I haven't really found a broker that's really been any better. So again, definitely check them out for sure. And then always do your DD, like I tell everybody. Anytime you're looking into anything, if it's cryptos, whatever, read the white paper, do your due diligence on the company. Because at the end of the day, it is your money that you are investing. So you always want to protect that.
Trade down now on ETH USD.
All right, Edwin Walker, what is going on? Thank you for following along. I do appreciate that. Wow, we're at 3.8 thousand likes this morning. That is totally terrific. Man, it looks like XAUUSD pulled back again. What a bummer. Thought I was going to break that.
BTC USD. Trade up now on
And again, welcome to everybody who's just joining. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio.
Trade down now on BTC USD.
So XAUUSD has really got a support line here at 2022. It looked like we were going to catch that reversal, but that didn't happen. All right, let's see. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. See if we can jump into any other trades right now. So waiting to see if gold is going to break this 2023. I thought it started to, and then it reversed back. So PSAR is still on top, saying that we're downtrending. RSI decided to pull back. But I would still assume that we are going down. So I'm still watching for a downtrend if it'll break 2022. BTC USD. Wow, it just did a complete like 180 here on these last two bars. Candlesticks. Which means it's decided it's going to keep pushing down. All right. Again, these are range bars. They only move off points and not time. That's LTC USD, saying it's a short position here.
Trade up now on ETH.
Trade up now on ETH. Again, so we have that reversal. Again, these are very linear. It takes away all the noise that you see here in the market. Again, so it's reversing. And then BTC, again, is getting a pullback. But again, I think that's going to end up being a short position here. Try and catch this short position. All right.
Trade down now. BTC USD. Trade down now on BTC USD.
All right, there we go. In profit here already of $4, $11, $12, $15. All right.
On ETH USD.
All right. Stop loss. Okay. And then that will be okay. There we go. So stop loss and take profit again are in place. Now we're getting a lot of movement. Now what time is it? Oh, 8:30. That's why the market just opened. So 8:30 now the stock market is open and is apparently really moving. Hey Edwin, what's going on? Thanks for the shout out. I'm just saying hello to everybody who's coming into the room. Hire Trump 2020 from 2024. Hell yeah.
Trade down now. BTC USD.
Trade down now. BTC USD. There's that audio signal again that I'm talking about. Again, these are range bars. They only move when the market moves. It doesn't move off of time like all these other candles. Only move off just because 5 minutes went by. It changes. The range bars don't do that. They only move when the market is moving off of points. Again, these have been back tested 50 years of data. To make sure that they are a good they're good for trading. So again, I have all this stuff in the link in my bio of how the range bars work as well, so you can check out all that information there for sure. Again, it's free Discord as well. We're around 78 members trying to get to or 82 members I think now, trying to get to 100 this year. Just trying to have a good community of like-minded traders. God, this thing is just going back and forth. Huge candle moves right now, just after the market opening. What time is it? I got about 15, about 10, 15 more minutes, and I got to jump off. Trade down now, BTC USD. Again, we have a whole bunch of training videos here on how to use the range bars, how to set up TradeXN, use stop losses, take profit using that 1% of our accounts. Again, how the range bars work. Also, if you're in the US, we have to use a VPN. So we use Proton VPN, which is free as well. I just use Netherlands or Japan for that. If you want to really deep dive into range bars as well, we do have a video that really explains all that as well. So again, check all that out. Man, Bitcoin just reversed big time. All right. I think the ETFs now are really going to have a effect on how this moves. Bitcoin moves every morning. Honestly, so I'm gonna have to start watching that just to see how market movement. See if it's going to be more like,
Trade down now. ETH USD.
see if it's going to be more like the stock market. All right, let's see what's going on with the market. Let's see, Tesla is pulling up right now. Google, Facebook, Marcus, Microsoft. Those are all kind of moving together. Microsoft is dropping. Maybe Tesla is dropping. Let's see what Tesla is doing. I have Tesla on here. Yep, there's Tesla. It's still just been trading back and forth the last couple of days.
Trade up now. Euro USD.
Wow, it just spiked this morning as well. Let's see. $217.26 was its last high yesterday. So it looks like it's trying to push back up to that. It's overbought as well. So I'd be waiting for a pullback on that for sure. All right. Yeah, because it's already overextended. So.
Trade up now.
Hey, Jennifer Cruz, what is going on? Welcome to my live. So we're watching Tesla right now as the market just opened.
BTC USD.
See if we can maybe get a quick pullback on that. Maybe catch like a $2 trade or something. Microsoft just had a little bit of a pullback. That looks like it's going to continue up. Amazon looks like it's reversing, so it's looking for a long position. And then Google looks like it might be shorting. Hey, Pace, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Wow, 5.6 thousand likes. You guys are amazing. That's huge. I don't think I've had that many likes in a minute. That's terrific. All right, let's see what's going on. Again, we're trading on TradeXN is the name of the broker. No trading fees and low spreads. Now we have crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices. And then again, we have the range bars here. Crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices. So there's lots of stuff that you can trade every single day.
Trade down now. ETH USD.
All right, so again, we're watching Tesla right now. I'm going to see if I can catch a short position if the PSAR will flip. Although Tesla's been dropping here, let's see.
Trade down now.
19th, 18th, 17th. It's been dropping for days.
Trade down now.
Let's go to the 1 hour.
USD.
Oh yeah, even the 1 hour, it's been dropping for a hot minute. So this could be a reversal. Maybe we should go long. All right, so we'll wait for a little pullback and see if we can save some pips. And then maybe we'll catch this long position instead. So always remember, treat trading like a business. You have to be very consistent. Trading strategy will always require a couple weeks to a couple months to show a big enough data set which proves whether the strategy works or not.
Trade down now. Euro USD.
Trade down now. NZD USD.
And I've been using TradeXN now for like
Down now. AUD USD.
trade down now AUUSD for like 2 years. I haven't had any issues with them at all. And I know of multiple people that have them and they haven't had any complaints about them either. Again, we have a link in the Discord link in my bio with the whole entire group that we have right now. And we're like at 83 members now and growing. So again, if you ever guys have any questions, you can definitely hit us up for sure. And we can always answer your questions if you have any. All right, looks like Tesla's thinking about getting a shorter candle here, shorter range bar. Again, they only move off of points and not time. So it doesn't matter that 10 minutes have gone by. It won't move unless the market is moving in that direction. Again, if you have any questions, please hit me up. Hopefully we will get into a trade here shortly, and then I can show you how I use my stop loss and take profit as well. Again, we only do a 1-to-1 ratio, so depending on what we're trading, but it's usually 50 to 100 points or equivalent. So like Tesla I think it's only a couple of dollars. Instead of like 50, it's like 5, like 50 cents.
Trade down now. USD JPY.
Again, I like to come live when I am trading with you guys. Is not only do I have someone to interact with as well,
Trade up now on E. USD.
but I'm able to show you the strategy that I'm working as well. So maybe that will help you guys out. And then always use my referral code for TradeXN as well if you decide to join it,
Trade up.
as I do get a commission from them.
That's trade up now on LT.
But I do like them just because they have no trading fees and low spreads, and they've been really reliable for the last 2 years. RL trending, what is going on? Hey, Isaac Michael again, thank you for all the likes and sharing my live. Definitely do appreciate that.
USD CAD.
Trade down now on USD CAD.
Trade up now.
Trade up now. AUD.
All right, Tesla's starting to get a little bit of a pullback. I was kind of wondering. We'll see if we can maybe catch a full bar out of that, and then when it goes green, we'll ride that up as catching that pullback. Because it really opened up pretty hard this morning, and we are already oversold, overbought, excuse me, on RSI. So we want that to come back down right around 50, 60 maybe before I'll buy in as well, because it's reached too far already. So again, it's really important to understand too that anyone who really wants to make it trading will need at least $10,000 to $50,000. And of course, the reason is that we make a small percentage gains on a regular basis, and 1% gain on 10,000 is $100. So I mean, you do 5 trades, it's like $500. So again, when practicing and testing strategies, I always start off with $1,000 to $5,000, since I can do tons of 0.01 practice trades. That would be worth around 50 cents to $1, depending on where you set your stop loss and take profit. Again, it's always about protecting your capital, learning to trade, and I don't believe in demos either, because demos don't show you the live market, right? You don't get the spreads and that kind of stuff that you get from a live market, let alone the commissions, the trading fees, those other things that other brokers have. But again, on TradeXN, there's no trading fees and they have really low spreads, so, and no commissions. Pardon me. Now, if you decide to get on TradeXN, you can always get a commission off of it as well if you share that broker with other people. All right, so we are getting we're starting to get a pullback here on Tesla. Getting only in the 5-minute time frame here. See if we could jump into this, but I was again waiting because the RSI was oversold. I would like it to pull back a little bit first. Guy Fawkes. Am I really? Please explain why. You're gonna come on here and say that, then give me a reason why. Other than just throwing information like that out here. Yeah, he does. I just think it's funny that guys come in here and talk trash, and it's like, then back it up. Please tell me why if you're going to come in here and say such things, right? What is it that you think is better than what I am doing? Because if not, then you're here just talking trash because you don't have anything better to talk about. Do you have your own TikTok? Do you have your own thing that you're teaching people? I'm not charging anything for my information. It's absolutely free. All right, so Tesla is getting that pullback here on RSI. It's dropping below that 75. Like I said, it was oversold. All right. But it's got plenty of room to keep going up. So I want to catch this pullback, and then maybe we'll ride this up to 217. He said, like, just focus on the good stuff. Oh, I am. I just, they like to throw stuff in, so I always have something back to say. But most of the time, they don't. They just say something and they leave, which is pretty typical. All right, let's see here. So Tesla is getting that pullback, like I was saying, because we were way oversold, right? We were way too high. But we have that PSAR continuing up here. And if you look at the higher time frame, we're way down. Over months, we've pulled way back. I mean, we've pulled back, yeah, a lot. 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, like $50 on Tesla.
Trade down now.
And we've really hit this support, the support line here, as well. So we're back to where it's been since November time frame. So if anything, I would be looking for this to continue up. But again, it's good to get into a save some pips. So, hey, Swift Warrior, what is going on? Welcome to my live. Again, these are range bars. They only move off points and not time. And these have audio signals as well. So again, these don't move just because 5 minutes have gone by. They only move when the market is moving. As you can see, BTC USD is dropping still. And then Tesla is dropping right now this morning. It had a huge spike this morning, but it's pulling back from that.
Trade down now. AUD USD.
All right, let's see. What did it close at? Let's go here. Let's go to Tesla. I want to know what they closed at yesterday. Oops. They closed yesterday. Closed yesterday right there. Yes, they're downtrending. They've been going all night long, and then it really spiked this morning. Yeah, so I want to catch that pullback and then just continue to ride this up. All right. Let's see. Which is what we're getting right now. We're getting that pullback. That's awesome. Hey, Carter the Barber. Carter the Barber. Are you a barber, Carter the Barber? Welcome to my live. All right, so we are getting... Yeah, so we're getting a bar there. And it's still dropping here, like I said. So we're watching that. See if we can catch a long position
USD JPY.
on Tesla. Save us some pips, right? Save some money, and then be able to make a decent trade here. That's if it'll happen in the next 10 minutes, because I have to, of course, get ready and go to work, because this is not my 9 to 5 yet, but hopefully in time it will be. As you can see, Google is pulling up, had a pullback, and it looks like it might continue up for today. Facebook was rolling up, might be pulling back, just like Tesla. Amazon had a pullback and reversal, and Microsoft had pullback and reversal. I wonder if the overall market is down this morning. Let's see, what does NASDAQ, the Russell, S&P, Dow Jones? It's pulling down. Yeah, it looks like it's a red day.
USD. Trade up now. BTC. USD.
All right, what
Trade up
is
now on BTC.
Tesla?
USD.
Hey Ray, what is going on again? Welcome to my live. I'm trading here every single day. Please give me a follow. Join the Discord link in my bio. Trying to grow my community. As I always say, again, it's free to use, doesn't cost anything. Just like having a place where like-minded individuals can come and learn about trading, crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. All right. Let's see what's going on. So again, we're watching Tesla right now as the stock market is open. See if we could maybe have caught a long position trade here. I've got about 8 minutes left and I've got to jump off. But I do believe this is going to try to continue up as it has been downtrending for quite a while. I don't know if there's any news on Tesla. No. Oops.
Trade down now. NZD-USD.
Trade down now on NZD USD. Wow, that RSI has really dropped. So we're back down right around 60 or so. Yeah, I'd like to catch Tesla as it's been waiting for us to drop and to see if it'll continue up. Hey, Apple user 9648, what is going on? Welcome to my live.
On BTC USD.
All right, trade down now. BTC USD. Is that still trading? No, it's trending sideways. Like I said, that was a hell of a drop over the last couple of hours. Again, down to 38.6. So
Now, BTC USD.
again, BTC needs to come up. So if that will break that, again, I'll probably catch BTC USD a little bit later. If that PSAR reverses and head up, because it dropped so much, it's got to pull back some, and that could be a decent trade. All right, let's see Tesla. Oops, why did it do that? Yeah, so it's pulling back in. I'm having that PSAR, but I'm going to be watching Tesla for a long position. Hey James, what is going on? Welcome to my live.
Trade down now. JPY.
I always want to emphasize as well that I'm not selling anything. No courses, no bots, no paid sessions. I'm just trying to grow my Discord community, so make sure you give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Also, I do make a commission off TradeXN. I like to make that as clear as possible as well. Hey Swift Warrior, what's going on? So this is TradeXN is the name of my trading platform. No trading fees, low spreads. It is in the link in my bio. So please use it. I do get a commission from TradeXN. It doesn't affect you guys, but they do give me a commission for getting people over to the platform. Again, no trading fees, low spreads. They have crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices as well. And I've been trading with them for 2 years now. They've been a pretty good broker. If you are in the US, you have to use a VPN as they are an offshore broker. All right, what's going on with Bitcoin? Still seeing if we can catch a long position here on BTC USD. These also do have a audio signal as well. On the range bars, again, they only move off points and not time. We're just doing derivative trading as well. It's not futures or options. So in case you want to know if it's futures or options, it's not. It's just derivative trading. All right, EUR USD, that's way oversold. That's down around 25, so that should be reversing soon too. So that might be a long position to jump into. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. I'm always willing to answer.
USD. Trade down now on BTC USD.
And trade down now, BTC USD. Jeez. All right, let's check that. All right, 5-minute time frame. Finally getting a PSAR on the bottom. BTC as well. All right.
USD.
So we're going to jump into that one more time. All right, stop loss again. Take profit into place to protect our capital for our trades. So we know what the amount that we are risking is always and no more than that. And then we always have our take profit in place as well, so that we have a goal to hit and it can automatically trade for you. It'll automatically do the sell. You don't have to worry about it and sit here and wait for it. You can go take care of other things that you need to. Hey, Wealth Bros. All right, I will look at that really quick. Then I got to jump off of here. S&P 500, right? It's US 500. So on the hour, it's just trending sideways right now.
Trade up now. USD JPY.
PSAR is on top or on bottom, saying it's still trending up. RSI is above the 50, but it's pointing down. So on that information, yeah, it's still kind of pulling up here. S&P 500 had a pullback, continuation up. Depending on what this next bar does in the short term, it might continue up, but we'll see. But yeah, it's been kind of trending sideways the last couple of days. And if we go to like the 5 minutes, so this morning, it's having a pullback right now. So that may end up hitting this PSAR and continuing long. All right, so we're in profit right now on BTC USD. Again, in a long position. We had the audio signal from the range bars.
USD CAD.
And we had the PSAR flip. And then the RSI is just above the 50 now. So that's letting me know that we are in a long position. All right, you guys, I got to jump off of here. Again, welcome. Thank you guys for joining my live as well. Again, we are trading on TradeXN, is the name of the broker. You can get that in the link in my bio. No trading fees and low spreads. And then we have the range bars. Again, these only move off points, not time. If you're looking for that extra edge on trading, definitely check these out. Again, they have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. They are free to use. Again, in the link in my bio. You can go to futurecapitaltrading.net to get them. It just takes an email to sign up. They don't cost anything. Absolutely free. Again, they're just off my streaming service. And then check out my Discord where I have a whole bunch of training videos on how to use the range bars, how to use TradeXN, how to set it up, how take money on, take money off, set up all that stuff. So again, check all that out. Again, you all have a great day. Hey, Isaac, thank you very much for all your participation. I really do appreciate you and all those likes that you put in there. Again, very gracious. Thank you. Hopefully, I will see you on the next live. Again, you guys have a great trading day and trading week, and I will see you all later.